Here we have a Vectrax 20-inch vertical bandsaw with a blade welder. This is 220 volt, 3-phase. It's unused, and we're going to just power it up and show you that it does operate. Doors, variable speed. This handle's a little bit tough to turn because the shaft is bent on it just slightly. You can see the hand wheel here kind of wobbles a little bit. Still to operate, though. The gears are fine. This is not the original handle. This is a plastic handle on here. Did not have one, and we think it broke off during transit. Other than that, operates. See? Okay, that's on the high speed right there. Then we'll turn the machine off. Here's your grinder, your blade. And there's a lamp for the welder. The light isn't all that bright, but still operates. And we did test the welder itself. We put a sample piece of blade in there. It did weld it. I'll leave that right in there. So the welder operates very nicely. Here's your cutter. Here's your speed control. Turn that back on here. Get that on the fly. See? Neutral position. Overall, it's in really good condition. Here's your control panel. Has a couple of paint scratches on the base. There's a small ding on the door here. A couple little paint scratches on the light. Nothing major. That's your extender for the table. Of course, you get a work light, your belt tensioner, your blade tensioner. And we thank you for looking at our product.